Hi. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm making a wild yeast sponge for bread. I haven't done it in a while. I think I have some videos. I'm not too sure. But sometimes people say put sugar. You really don't, because the grapes have sugar. So I have these, let me show you real quick. I got them at the food bank. And so they were just kind of like, you know, if you get them naturally organic, those are the best. But these already have developed some yeast in them. And, you know, I could smell them. They smell very yeasty. So I got tons of them. I put some in the freezer, and then I said, let me see if I can make this bread. So I'm going to wing it. I just basically do half, like a cup. You could, that's like a, I don't know, maybe it's half and half, you could tell, of this hard, high protein flour. And then I might throw in a couple more grapes and just throw them in there, mix it up, and just let it set. And then you wait a day, and I think you take out a cup or some of the stuff out, or you take out the grapes. And I'll tell you as I go. I'm watching this video right now because I've sort of forgotten how to do it. So it's the first time actually I've done wild yeast water, and then I incorporated in all-purpose flour. But this is a high protein, and that's what you need. You need a high protein flour. And then you could you can make a bread, you make a sponge. So I might have to add a little bit more flour to that, and then, yeah, it's really good. It's a really good, delicious bread. It's something, I think my grandmother used to do this. I'm almost sure she did, because she made her own yeast, and I asked my mom how she made her own yeast, and Mom always had jokes. Anyways, because she doesn't remember, or she never really was near her that much. But there's different ways. A lot of people use different ways. You make wild yeast water from so many different elderberries. There's a controversial thing with pineapple, I think. But strawberry, I mean, pretty much, because the yeast comes from the sulfates. So sulfites, or whatever, the white stuff that's outside of you just stick them in there, make sure you don't rinse them. But these already been rinsed, so I'm going to see how this works. So hopefully it works well. I'll post some videos after I do this. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.